back here on Geoff and Kent's T-Bird. Got a little bit of an alignment issue that we'll deal with here in a little while. More importantly, we finally got the ducts for the defroster, so we're going to put those babies in. Then we're going to finish up our cluster, get that all done, and then we can start aligning and doing trim and battling. But we are making progress. Well, now we know why they call it a dash cluster, because that was a real cluster to put in. Anyway, I had to wrestle it up and into the holes and get it all up and in there, but she's there. Everything on the back is wired and hopefully stayed plugged in while we fought it up in there. But that's in. Key's on, but the battery's not hooked up, so don't worry about that. So we will soon be able to hopefully snug this baby up. All right, things are starting to look really good. So Kent painted this and this piece with the aluminum color that Ford sells for these cars. And it's a dead ringer. It looks great. This is the most together this thing's been in months.